What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video. In this video I wanted to go over the V2 of Trusted Signals, see exactly how it's working for me. Right now I'm trying to learn a little bit more about trading, so I've been doing a lot of more candle research. So usually I use the algorithm on the Hannikanaishi candles, but now I'm actually practicing a little bit of more trading within using the regular candles. So I have a lot more videos on candle movement and candle patterns coming, so definitely stay tuned for that, because as I learn, I want to go ahead and teach you guys so that way you guys are on the same path as me. All right, so if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that sub button, that like button, join the free Discord, all right, and click the link in the description to get Trusted Signals, which is the indicator that I'm currently using, all right. And believe it or not, I actually am going to be doing a giveaway for Trusted Signals and a $500 account giveaway soon once I reach around 2,000 subs, and more information will be in my next video. All right, so let's go ahead and just pull up like a random chart. I've been getting asked about NAS 100 a lot. I'm not at the house right now, so for some reason my internet is not the greatest. Let's see here. Let's reload this. Boom. All right, so as you guys can see here, I have my indicators up. All right, and if you're not familiar with Trusted Signals, they actually just released the TS Market Scanner, all right, which is very cool as well. I'll show you guys that right now. And I made a video about this in my last video as well, and it goes based upon the same settings for your reactivity and depth for your Trusted Signal settings, all right, and then you can set it up for any specific chart, all right, which is very cool. Let's see here, it's still loading. As you can see here, the internet at the home that I'm at right now, I'm currently traveling, it's not the greatest, so bear with me. Let's see here. All right, so boom, as you guys can see here, it's showing you actively what's happening in the market based upon what settings you have in your Trusted Signals. All right, so it's very cool, and then you can just pull those up and just jump in. All right, so as you can see here for Netflix, it says buy now. So you would pull that chart up and see exactly what type of analysis you want to see, you know, and see if you want to take that trade. Boom. So let's go ahead and turn on the Trusted Signals. I believe it was this one I had it on. So right now I've been testing the V1 because I've only used the V1 settings. So I'm actually testing these specific settings out, and so far they're literally killing it. Each individual signal settings has a different type of trade setup, and then if you wanted to go ahead and make your own, then you can still do so by clicking manual and then using these specific settings here. But for this specific thing here, as you can see here, more settings, more signals actually came out on the chart, because the simple fact is I change it to manual, and then I have my depth at pretty low. So once I change to swing trading or hold trading, then that changes. All right, so like I said, this is going to help you guys out for those trying to become swing traders, scalpers, or long-term holders. And as you guys can see here, this does also work on regular candles as well as Hannikanaishi candles. Right, so it's gonna go ahead and pick up those long moves that you guys want to go ahead and get, and then especially if you use the support and resistance and all that good stuff as well. But what I'm liking about this as well is me, I trade US 30, and look at the last moves that it put out. I didn't get in on any of these moves because I was only trading cryptocurrencies over this week. But check this out, guys. Like, even right here, we're looking back, this is our chart. So imagine if you're in these moves, right? And what I'm trying to study now is the 50% rule. So I'm only entering and I learned this from one of the academies that I participated in back in the day, but it was a very profitable trading setup. And basically what it is let's say you get a sell signal, you want to go ahead and make your entrance on 50% or 25% of the last candle. All right. So as you can see here, 25% would have been here, 50% would have been around here, and you would have entered this trade on 50% and got in. Okay. Another way you can do that as well is seeing if it comes back down and retest the 50% of this candle. Unfortunately, you wouldn't have been able to get in on this buy because it did not do that. And on this one, it did a reach around 25%. So you would have been in profit right now. And of course, on the hourly chart, you are getting, those longer moves, because this is right here, as you can see here with these settings, all right, for swing trading, all right. And there's going to be a lot of different things within this as well that's different. All right, as you guys can see here, some of the setups on the dashboard look completely different. It's much more cleaner. All right. And one thing that I do like is now with the auto Fibonacci, which is something that I've been trying to put in my trade arsenal, you can now extend the lines both ways, left or right. Usually, obviously, you want to go right because you want to predict what the market is doing. All right. So now you can actually do that. Let's go ahead and wait for that to populate. I said, my internet is a little bit slow. But guys, listen, I got a lot of you guys looking at my profits in the Discord and have been asking me, to create a group where I give out my signals. I do have a lot of things in the works for you guys, so make sure that you subscribe. All right, drop a comment if you want me to make a trading academy. If you think that my ways of teaching you guys is good, then, I just want to hear your feedback, let you guys know, that I'm listening, and, Trusted Signals, I've been a part of their community, and I have a lot of implementations on what goes on behind the scenes. So tell me what you guys want to see in the indicators. Tell me if it's working for you. Drop a comment. All right. And, I just wanted to go over, my V2, just like what it looks like. And I believe you guys are going to be getting this on your end. All right, it's only 10 of us that have access to this right now, but I believe that this should be out within the next month or so. Yeah, guys, so make sure that you guys use my discount code ChrisP for $150 off, and stay tuned into my next video. All right, guys, because I promise you guys I'm going to be dropping a lot of bangers. All right, so stay tuned. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.